How to turn off antivirus on Windows 11 or 10 on PC. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can turn off antivirus or Windows Defender on Windows 11 or 10. For this, the first thing you want to do is click on the search option. Now here you're going to search for Windows Security, and over here you have the app. Just click on that. Now you will see here it says virus and threat protection. So go ahead and select that. Now you're going to select virus and threat protection setting. Go ahead and select manage settings. Now you're going to turn off where it says real-time protection and just confirm yes. When you turn this off, it's only going to be turned off for a limited time, so you might want to come back here in the future. If you want to turn it back on again, press on the search, go to Windows Security and just turn it back on under virus and threat protection. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.